Well, hello fam, it's Mark Drew Speaks, Mr. Drew back at you. We're talking about the giveaway. That's right, we're giving away the shirts, man. Love someone today. It's the 500 subscriber giveaway. Stick to the end for the details. I'll let you know how to get into this thing and how you're gonna get your shirts, all right? In short, we get to 500 subscribers, we're giving out shirts. Bam. That's it. Why? To say thank you, thank you for the support. Thank you for rocking with me from day one, and it's to grow this thing. It's to promote the growth of what we're doing here, of the mission to love someone today. I believe in this thing. I'm not out here trying to be a YouTube star, I'm trying to genuinely touch hearts, every day I'm in the community as an educator, working with kids, working with their parents, working with administration, working with fellow teachers, trying to enrich lives, trying to help others define purpose, just helping, serving. And I want to do that worldwide. I want to touch more hearts. I believe in it. I believe in my passion. I believe in the spirit, So I want it to grow. And we're going to celebrate getting to 500, and then we'll celebrate getting to 1,000. And we'll celebrate beyond that, because that's what it's all about. It's about celebrating the moments. And that's what started this whole thing. Love someone today. The backstory, this started in a cemetery, guys. A cemetery. I didn't know my dad. I met my dad 2 years after he passed away. When I went to visit him, I took the camera with me. I took the ukulele with me. And I spent some time out there and I made a piece. For those who've been rocking with me, you know the video. Scroll down. Check the playlist. It's down there. Love someone today. And in that moment, it was so real. And it was so authentic. And it's that feeling we get during pain and loss. During the loss of a loved one, during tragedy, during disaster, that when we have to come together and we realize that life is short, that moment is what I'm trying to embrace. I'm trying to embrace that moment where we're all authentic and being our true selves and expressing ourselves up to that level 4 of communication and sharing emotions, That's what it's about. That's what started this. Death. I might not be here tomorrow. I'm not leaving any of this on the table. When they go to dig me up, they're not going to find anything because I'm leaving it all on the field. That's the purpose of this mission. No one's getting left alone. We're letting them all know they belong. No one suffers in isolation. That's love someone today. So, how do you get the shirts? How do we help grow this thing? Well, we're running a Gleam contest. It's a Gleam giveaway. Thank you, Gleam. Check the description below. You hit the description, check the link. Log in. You can log in with the email. You can log in with your Facebook. You'll see. And you'll find out ways to enter. Now, when will we announce the winner? When we get to 500 subscribers. Come on, guys. Look at the counter. We're not there yet. But I'm watching. When we get there, we'll announce the winners. So let's get there so we can get these shirts out of here. All right? Let's get them out of here and keep moving. There's more stuff I want to give away. Take the link below. Share it. Pass it to your cousin. Pass it to your mama. Pass it to your neighbor. All of them. When they get to the YouTube channel, subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell for notifications. So you can be reminded. So you can be motivated. Morning motivation. There's a series for you. Anyhow, that's enough. We're getting out of here. Thank you guys so much. I'm stoked, man. I'm stoked. Love someone today. And I love you guys, man. I love you guys. Whew. Really excited about these. check the description, click the link, log in, enter, and I'll see you when we get to 500. Peace.